One of the biggest mistakes I see small business owners make when they're starting out and doing their return for the first time is not having their books in order. If you don't have your bookkeeping in order, your tax return is not going to yield the best results for you. That's why we recommend that you use an accounting software. We typically use QuickBooks Online for our clients. Some of our clients use Xero, but something like that to keep track of your income and expenses. If you have a business like an S Corp, a C Corp, a multi-member partnership, you absolutely should be using a bookkeeping software because you also need to be reporting a balance sheet on your tax return. And that's pretty hard to do in something like Excel. Sometimes what happens is when you go to do your return, you're just pulling everything out of your bank account into Excel. You may have forgotten things that are sitting in your personal bank account or something that you paid for outside of those transactions, or your credit card that you have in the business that you don't use that much, but there's, some expenses there. So make sure that you're using a software, or if you're doing it in Excel, that you're capturing everything. And if you have questions, ask your tax preparer, is this business deductible? In QuickBooks, we have an account called Ask My Accountant that I encourage my clients to just dump things in there, and then we can discuss those things there. Make sure you're trying to capture all of the possible expenses, and then you can discuss with your tax preparer if you can actually use it as a deduction or not.